$6 million. That is how much a judge awarded the family of a schizophrenic man killed by Albuquerque police. Judge Shannon Bacon ruled the officers were not acting in self-defense when they shot Christopher Torres in his yard in 2011. And even though the family has won a huge amount of money in the civil case, the officers involved were never disciplined. Target 7 investigative reporter Nancy Laughlin talked to the DA to find out why.
Well, Shelley, District Attorney Carrie Brandenburg says the investigation in this case was, as she put it, flawed, but she says she is sticking by her decision that the officers involved in the Torres case should not be criminally charged.
The law makes it very difficult to prosecute a police officer who says he's defending himself in the line of duty.
District Attorney Carrie Brandenburg standing by her decision. 2 Albuquerque police officers involved in the shooting death of Christopher Torres will not be criminally charged. This week, in a civil case, Judge Shannon Bacon awarded the Torres family $6 million. But Brandenburg says criminal law and civil law are very different. She says in criminal law, a police officer has the legal right to defend himself and others.
And they say, you know, we're not going to go back and second guess what an officer did, because they don't have the luxury. They have a millisecond to make a decision.
And it was a matter of minutes on an April day in 2011 that changed many lives. On that day, 2 detectives were serving a warrant on Torres at his family's West Side home for aggravated auto burglary arising from a road rage incident. This is video of Torres in court in connection with a separate case. The officers, dressed in plain clothes, found Torres in the backyard. Investigators said there was a struggle. The officer said Torres tried to grab one of their guns, so they shot and killed him. In the civil case, the judge faulted APD because fingerprints were not found on the gun. The DA says in her 30 years in criminal law,
I have never, ever, in my experience, had a fingerprints found on a firearm.
Brandenburg also says she believes there were flaws in this investigation, that a key witness wasn't interviewed until 2 years after the shooting.
We say this is flawed, but this is the best we can do.
But she says in criminal law, she must prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt, and she says that was not the case here. Now, in the civil case, the judge also faulted the officers because they didn't do enough investigating before going to the Torres home. Judge Bacon ruled they should have known Torres suffered from mental illness, that a crisis intervention officer should have been contacted, and that Torres was undergoing a competency evaluation for his mental illness. The DA says the autopsy showed Christopher Torres was not on his antipsychotic medication, and she says there was spice found in his system. Shelley.
This is not the end of the civil litigation in the Torres case. The Torres family's federal case against the city is slated to begin this September. The multi-million-dollar judgment in the Torres case is the